Now, good morning to all of you. Our next point number 2.7, significant figure. Now, what is the definition of significant figure? The reliable digit plus the first uncertain digit are known as significant digit or significant figures. Okay, the reliable digit plus the first uncertain digit are combiningly known as a significant figure. Now suppose, for example, the time period of a simple pendulum. The time period of a simple pendulum is 1.62 seconds. Okay, the time period of a simple pendulum is 1.62 seconds. In that case, the 1 and 6, the digit 1 and 6 are known as a reliable digit. Okay, reliable digit or significant or reliable digit or certain digit. Reliable digit or known as a certain digit. The digit 1 and 6 are reliable or certain, and in that case the digit 2 is known as uncertain digit. Uncertain digit. What is meant by uncertain digit? Means the value of 2 may be changed. Means in that case the time period may be 1.62 or maybe 1.61 or 1.63. Means the value of 2 may be increased by 1 or decreased by 1. Means the value of 2 maybe becomes 3 or maybe becomes 1. Okay, therefore the last digit is known as a uncertain digit. Okay, what is meant by significant figure? Means the total number of reliable digit. In that case 1 and 6 are reliable digit and 2 are the uncertain digit. Then how many significant figure? Reliable digit 2, okay, and uncertain digit 1. Therefore it has 3 significant figure. Therefore the time period t is equal to 1.62 having 3 significant figure. 3 significant figure. Okay, these two are reliable digit or certain digit, and that is last digit is known as uncertain digit. Then reliable digit plus uncertain digit is combiningly known as a significant digit or significant figure. Therefore the time period 1.62 having 3 significant figures. Now rule to find out the significant figure. Then means in a given number how many significant figures are there. For that purpose there are some rules. Now first rule is that all non-zero digits are significant. All non-zero digits are significant. Means in a given number how many significant figures are there. How to find out the significant figures? The first rules is that all non-zero digits are significant figures or significant. Okay, now for example 3.213. okay, here all digits are non-zero, therefore this number having a how many digits? 1 2 3 4. okay, and all digits are non-zero, therefore the number 3.214 having 4 significant figure. 4 significant figure means if all digits are non-zero, then all non-zero digits are significant. Now next 1 2 3 5 7. okay, in that case all digits are non-zero. Here how many digits? 1 2 3 4 5. Therefore this number having a 5 significant figure or 5 significant digit. Okay, now this is the first rule, means all non-zero digits are significant. Now second rule, all the zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. All the zeros between two non-zero numbers, all the zeros between two non-zero numbers are significant. Okay, all the zeros between two non-zero numbers are significant. Now suppose example 3023. In that case, these zeros are in between two non-zero numbers. Therefore, this zero is also significant. Therefore, this number having a 4 significant figure. 4 significant figure. Okay, means if the zeros are present in between two non-zero numbers, then that zero is also significant. Now suppose if the number is decimal, that is 2.0075. Okay, in that case, that two zeros are present in between that non-zero number 2 and 7. Therefore, that two zeros are also significant. Now these two zeros are significant, this number is significant, 7 is significant, 5 is significant. Therefore, how many significant figures? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, these two zeros are in between two non-zero numbers. Therefore, that two zeros are also significant. Okay, therefore, how many significant figures? 5 significant figures. 5 significant figures. The number 2.0075 having 5 significant figures. Then rule number 3. Rule number 3. If the number is less than 1, see the rule. If the number is less than 1, if the number is less than 1, the zeros on the left, the zeros on the left of the first non-zero digits are not significant. Okay, now see the rule. If the number is less than 1, the zeros on the left of the first non-zero digits are not significant. Now suppose example 0.0023. Okay, in that case, this number 0.0021, this number is less than 1. Okay, if the number is less than 1, then the zeros on the left of the first non-zero digits. Here in that case, first non-zero digit means 2. First non-zero digit is 2. Therefore, the zeros on the left of the first non-zero digits means that 3 zeros. Okay, first non-zero digits are 2. Therefore, the left of the first non-zero numbers, how many zeros are there? That zeros are not significant. Means this is not significant, this is not significant, this is not significant. Means only significant digits are 2 and 3. Therefore, this number having a 2 significant figure. 2 significant figures. Means this 2 is one significant and 3 is another significant. Means 2 significant figure. Now next example 0.0257. Okay, in that case the first non-zero number is 2. Okay, first non-zero number is 2 and this number is less than 1. This number is less than 1. Then first non-zero number, see the first non-zero numbers, then the zeros to the left of the first non-zero numbers are not significant. This is not significant, this is not significant. Therefore, this number having only 3 significant figure. 3 significant figures. That significant figures 2, 5, 7. Okay, these are the 3 significant figures. Now this is the rule number 3. Means if the number is less than 1, then the zeros on the left of the first non-zero numbers are not significant. Now next rule, rule number 4, the terminal or trailing zeros. The terminal or trailing zeros trailing zeros in the number without a decimal. This line is very important. Without a decimal. Okay, the terminal or trailing zeros in the number without decimal points are not significant. Okay, now what is mean by trailing or terminating zeros? Now suppose example 23700. Okay, 23700. In that case, terminating or trailing zeros means these end point zeros. Okay, right hand side zeros are known as a terminating zeros or trailing zeros. Now what happened? The terminal or trailing zeros in a number without a decimal point. ఈ నంబర్లో డెసిమల్ పాయింట్ లేదు. Okay, when the decimal points are not present, in that case that trailing zeros are not significant. In that case, this zero not significant, this zero is also not significant. Means when the decimal points are not present means without decimal point, in that case the trailing zeros are not significant. In that case, this number having a only 3 significant figures, 2, 3, 7. Means this number having a 3 significant figure. Okay, means if the number having a without a decimal points, then trailing zeros are not significant. Now next example 720500. Okay, in that case these are the two trailing zeros. And in that number no decimal points are present. Therefore this zero is not significant, this zero is also not significant. But here this zero is present in between two non-zero numbers. Therefore this zero is significant. Okay, now if the number having a no decimal points present inside that number, then that trailing zeros are not significant. Means in that case this number having a 4 significant figure, that is 7205. This number having a 4 significant figure. Now next one example, that is suppose 2810. Okay, that is 2810. In that case this is the trailing zeros. Okay, therefore the trailing zeros are not significant. Means this number having a 3 significant figure. Next, same as the terminal or trailing zeros in the number when the decimal points are present, then the trailing zeros are significant. The rule number 5, the terminal or trailing zeros in a number with a decimal point the trailing zeros in a number with a decimal points are significant. Means if the decimal points are present, then trailing zeros are also significant. Now example, that is 2.300. In that case these are two trailing zeros, but here decimal points are present. Therefore the two trailing zeros are also significant. Means these two significant figures and these 3 and 2 also significant. Means this number having 4 significant figure. Means if the decimal points are present in a number, then trailing zeros are significant. If the decimal points are not present, then trailing zeros are not significant. Now see one more example, that is 13.80. Okay, in that case this is the trailing zeros, but here decimal points are present. When the decimal points are present, then trailing zeros are significant. Means this number 13.80 having a 4 significant figure. 4 significant figure. Okay, now this is about the significant figures. Now next, rules for arithmetic operation with the significant figures. Means when we have to perform a arithmetic operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, then in that case what is the rule about a significant figures? Now when we have to perform a multiplication or division, in that case the final result should retain, means the final result should be as many significant figure as are there in the original number with the least significant figure. What is the meaning of that? Means when you perform a multiplication or division, in that case there are, if the two numbers are there, then see first numbers having how many significant figures and second number how many significant figures. Then when you got the final answer, the final answer should less significant figures, means first number having how many significant figures and second number having how many significant figures, then the answer should be less significant figure as from that both the numbers. Means suppose first number having 4 significant figures and second number having 3 significant figures, then the answer should be in 3 significant figures. Means this 3 significant figure is less as compared to 4. Therefore the answer should be in 3 significant figures. Now suppose if the 3 numbers are there, the multiplication of, we have to take a multiplication of 3 numbers. First number having a 4 significant figures, second number having 2 significant figures and third number having 4 significant figures. Means in that case the second number having only 2 significant figures, therefore your answer should be in 2 significant figures. Means the number having which having a less significant figures, the answer should be in the less significant figure. Now see an example. Now suppose density. What is the formula of density? Density is nothing but mass divided by volume. Okay, now in that case the mass, we have to suppose that 4.237 grams and volume should be 2.51 centimeter cube. Now in that case that density is nothing but mass divided by volume. Now this is the division. Now see the number in a numerator having how many significant figures? That is 4 significant figure. And the denominator having how many significant figures? 3 significant figures. Then which having a less? 2 significant figure less, 3 significant figure is less, 3 significant figure is less. Therefore our answer should be in 3 significant figure. Now our answer is 1.688. But this is the 4 significant figure. Then we have to here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, means our answer should be in the less significant figure. Means our answer should be in 3 significant figure. Therefore we have to convert this number into 3 significant figures. Now this is first, second, third. Now the last digit we have to rounding off. The last digit is 8. Means we have to rounding off the last digit. Then if last digit is more than 5, then previous digit increased by 1. Therefore our answer is 1.69. Now see here 1.69 having a 3 significant figure. Therefore this is our correct answer. Therefore 1.69 gram per cubic centimeter. Now this is the 3 significant figure. Means when you have perform a multiplication or division, we have to see the two numbers then which number having a less significant figure? The answer should be in less significant figure. Now next one example, suppose we have to find out the area. Area is nothing but length into breadth. Now in that case you have to take length as 3.2 centimeter and breadth we have to take as 4.52 centimeter. Now see, in that case 3.2 centimeter means this number having a two significant figures and breadth having a 4.52 means this having a three significant figures. Means when a multiplication or division, in that case the answer should be in less significant figure. In that case this two significant figure is less, therefore answer should be in two significant figure. Now the answer is 14.464, but this having a five significant figure, we have to convert that five significant figure into two significant figure. This is approximately 14. Now this 14 having a two significant figure, therefore the area is 14 centimeter square. 14 centimeter square. Now this is the two significant figures. Now when you have performed multiplication or division, in that case the answer should be in less significant figure. Now here length is two significant figure and breadth is three significant figure. Then the two significant figure is less, therefore the answer should be in two significant figure. Therefore the answer is 14 centimeter square. Now when we have performed addition and subtraction, what happened we have to see. Now when you perform addition or subtraction, the final result should retain as many decimal places as are there in the number with the least decimal place. Now in multiplication and division, we have to tells us that the final result should be the minimum number of significant figures. But in addition and subtraction, when you perform addition and subtraction, in that case you have to observe the decimal places. Okay, how many decimal places are there? Then the final answer should be a least decimal place. Okay, we have to observe a decimal place. When you perform addition and subtraction, we have to observe a decimal place and the answer should be a least decimal place. Now example, now suppose a one quantity having in terms of a weight, the first quantity having 436.32 grams and the addition with another quantity 227.2 grams and third quantity having a 0.301 grams. Okay, now see here the first quantity having a two decimal places. Okay, second quantity having a one decimal place, third quantity having a three decimal place. Okay, then the answer should be in less decimal place, least decimal place. Means here two decimal place, one decimal place, three decimal place, whichever is less or whichever is least one. Therefore the answer should be in one decimal place. Means after decimal only one decimal place will be present. Then the addition of that three quantities we get 663.821 grams. But here in the answer, okay, there are three decimal place. You have to convert that three decimal place into one decimal place. We have to rounding off that number. We get 663 point. Now only we have to write 8. After that 8, 2 is present. Therefore we have to remove that 2 and 1. Your answer is 663.8 grams. In that case the answer should be in one decimal place. Okay, when we have to perform addition or subtraction, in that case we have to observe the decimal places. Then the answer should be in least decimal place. Therefore in that case the answer should be in least decimal place, that is one decimal place. Therefore the answer is 663.8 grams. Now similarly, we have to see when we have to perform a difference. Now difference between a two weights. Difference between a two weights. The first quantity is 0.307 meters and second quantity is minus 0.304 meters. Now in that case, the first quantity having a 3 decimal places and second quantity is having a 3 decimal places. Then our answer should be a listed decimal place. Either you have to take this is also 3 decimal place, this is also 3 decimal place, means list is nothing but 3 decimal place. Then the subtraction is 0.003. Now this 0.003 means after that decimal 3 places are present. Therefore, this is your final answer. The answer should be in less decimal place. This is also 3 decimal place. Now we have to see one example based on that is division and addition. Now next example 2.13. Each side of a cube is measured to be 7.203 meter. What are the total surface area and volume of the cube to appropriate significant figure? Okay, now in that case, what they are given, the side of a cube. Now the side of a cube, we have to say the side of a cube is nothing but A, which is equal to 7.203 meters. Now the side of a cube having a 4 significant figure. 4 significant figures. Therefore, what you have to find out? We have to find out the total surface area and volume of the cube. Now, what is the formula of total surface area? The formula of total surface area is 6 into side square. The total surface area of cube. The total surface area of cube. The cube having a 6 surfaces. Therefore, 6 into area of one surface. That is 6 into side square. 6 into side square. 6 into side is nothing but A square. Okay, A square is nothing but A into A. Therefore, 6 into then A square. A having how many significant figure? 4. Okay, therefore 1 A is 4 significant figure and another A is also 4 significant figure. Therefore, the answer should be here A square is nothing but A into A, means here multiplication will be occurs. In a multiplication, the answer should be least significant figure. Therefore, A having a 4 significant figure, then another A is also 4 significant figures. Then therefore, the answer should be in 4 significant figure. Therefore, A is 7.203. It's a whole square. Therefore, 6 into 7.203, its square is 51.88. Then the final answer should be 311.28. But this is the final answer, but this final answer is in 5 significant figure, but we want the final answer in terms of 4 significant figure. Then we have to convert that 5 significant figure into 3 significant figure. We get 311 point. Now here 28, we have to remove that 8. In that case, 8 is more than 5. Therefore, its previous digit will be increased by 1. Therefore, 311.3. That is, this is in terms of meter. Therefore, meter square. Now, this 311.3 meter square, 311.3 having a 4 significant figure. Okay. Therefore, this is your correct answer. Therefore, total surface area of a cube is 311.3. This is in an appropriate significant figure. Now, we have to find out the volume of a cube. Okay, volume of a cube formula is side cube. Okay, side cube means A cube. Then what is the value of A? A is 7.203. It is having a 4 significant figure. Therefore, one A into another A into another A. Now, first A is 4 significant figure. Second A is also 4 significant figure. Third A is also 4 significant figure. Therefore, our answer should be in 4 significant figure. Therefore, 7.203 cube, we get 373.715 meter cube. Okay, then you want answer should be in 4 significant figure. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 means up to 7 we want answer. Therefore, the final answer is 373.7 meter cube. Now this answer is in the 4 significant figure. Therefore, the volume of a cube having appropriate significant figure is 373.7 meter cube. Now we have to see next example 2.14. Now example 2.14, 5.74 gram of substance occupied 1.2 cubic centimeter. Express its density by keeping the significant figure in view. Means by keeping significant figures in our mind, we have to find out the density of that substance. Now here they are giving a 574 grams substance, means this is the mass of the substance. Then mass of the substance M, which is equal to 5.74 grams. Now 5.74 means how many significant figure? 3 significant figure. 3 significant figure. Okay, and occupied 1.2 cubic centimeter means this is the volume. Their cubic centimeter, unit is cubic centimeter, means it is a volume. Therefore, volume is 1.2 cubic centimeter. Then this number having a how many significant figure? 2 significant figure. 2 significant figure. Then we have to find out the density. Then you know that formula, density which is equal to mass divided by volume. Okay, now when we have perform a multiplication or division, then our answer should be in least significant figure. Now here mass having a how many significant figure? 3, and volume how many significant figure? 2. Therefore, whichever is less, that is volume having a 2 significant figure is less. Therefore, our answer should be in 2 significant figure. Therefore, we have to find out the density. Therefore, density rho, which is equal to mass how much? 5.74, that is gram, divided by volume is 1.2 cubic centimeter. Then 5.74 divided by 1.2, then we get 4.78 gram per cubic centimeter. But our answer should be in 2 significant figure. But see here, the answer is in 4 significant figure. Therefore, convert this number, 4 significant number, into 2 significant number. Then we have to approximate this value as 4.8 gram per cubic centimeter. Now this 4.8 having a 2 significant figure. Now see here, numerator having a 3 significant figure and denominator having a 2 significant figure. Then therefore our answer should be in 2 significant figure. Therefore our answer, the density rho, which is equal to 4.8 gram per cubic centimeter. Now therefore the answer should be in 2 significant figure. 2 significant figure. Now today we have stopped here, and I will send you some exercise problem, some homework problem to you. Please solve that.